Okay, this is an example of what a homepage that has been created using buttons and some graphics and things to make it a little bit more appealing. I don't recommend this method for first-time users because this is pretty intensive in trying to create these little buttons and images and then linking them in there and linking them to different pieces of information. So if you're a first-time user, I wouldn't recommend this. And if you're just creating a class anyhow, I think modules is probably the best way to go. But I wanted to show you both so you've got the option. And as you use the program a little bit more, maybe you can venture out and try some of these. But this is just a home page that's created without the modules, just with different buttons. So if you click these buttons, it brings you to the information that's linked to those buttons that have been created. So like I said, I don't recommend this for first-time users, but it is a little bit more visually appealing than the modules homepage.